In this video, I'll be going over how to subtract fractions from whole numbers. In order to subtract fractions from a whole number, we need to first make sure that they have the same common denominator. Then we will proceed with the subtraction. Below are two examples, and we'll be going over each one. For the first one, I have a minus 2 over 6. And we can see that both numbers, the first number we have is a whole number, and the second number is a fraction. So the first step is to convert the whole number to fraction. In order to do that, we need to have the same common denominator. So since the fraction we have here is 6, we need to convert 8 to a fraction with 6 as the denominator. So we're going to convert this with a 6 on the bottom, and the numerator needs to be a number where it will equal to 8. So if we have a denominator of 6, we would take 6, because 6 over 6 is 1, and we have 8 of them, so we need to multiply by 8. And that will give us 48 over 6. And that will be the fraction for 8. And if you were to take 48 divided by 6, the answer would be 8. So now that we have the 8 converted to fraction, all we have to do is bring this fraction down 2 over 6. Now that they have the same common denominator, all we have to do is minus 48 to 2, and that becomes 46. So then this becomes 46 over 6. Now 46 over 6 is an improper fraction, so if you were to divide 46 by 6, we would have a whole number of 7 and then 4 over 6. 4 over 6 can be simplified to 2 over 3. That means the answer would be 7 and 2/3. Now there's also another way that you can do this. Since we have 8 as a whole number, we could take out 1 from 8 and make the whole number 7, and simply place 6 over 6 after 7. So this becomes a mixed number of 7 with 6 over 6, which is the same as 8. But this way will be faster because we're basically taking out the 1 and not having to convert it to an improper fraction and then back to a mixed number. So this way, we're basically converting from a whole number to a mixed number. And then we proceed with the subtraction. In this case, 7 will remain the same. Then we will take 6 over 6 minus by 2 over 6, and that will give us 4 over 6. And after simplifying it, we would get 7, and because the numerator and denominator can both divide by 2, so that gives us 2 over 3. And that is the same answer as the first method. But as you can see, this method is shorter and faster. Now let's try the second example. We have 10 minus 5/8. And for this one, I'm going to convert the whole number to a mixed number. So that would be 9. And since the second fraction that we are minusing to, it is with the denominator 8. So I'm going to put 8 over 8. Then we will minus 5 over 8. So simply taking 8 over 8 minus 5 over 8, we have 3 over 8. And the whole number would be 9, because 9 minus 0 is 9. And this gives us the mixed number of 9 and a 3/8 as the answer. So these two are examples of how you would subtract fractions from a whole number. You need to first make sure that you have the same common denominator and then subtract. And you can do so by converting the entire whole number to an improper fraction and then proceed with the subtraction. Or you can first convert the whole number to a mixed number, then proceed with the subtraction. Either way, the answer will come out the same. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.